Hey guys, Annan here with California Corporate Housing. Today I'm out in Marin at our new setup, our new 1-bedroom, 1-bath unit in Larkspur, California at Larkspur Courts. Do a little tour for you guys. Start off with the bedroom, equipped with our usual Scandinavian design furniture. Great quality stuff. Got a little TV set up in the bedroom, as well as a standing desk for working. It's great. And then the view out the window, lots of natural light here in this bedroom, which is always nice. And then I'll take you guys out to the kitchen next. And we have our welcome basket. As always, lots of great goodies for the guest. And the guest actually requested specially some groceries, which we are able to accommodate. If you guys didn't know, we do set up units with groceries upon request. So let us know and we can fulfill those grocery requests for you guys if needed. And then I'll take you out to the living room right through here. Lots of our nice Scandinavian furniture in here as well. Great dining table setup, TV, and then last but definitely not least, my favorite part of the unit is the patio out here. Perfect place for winding down at night, take a bottle of wine out there, enjoy the night, or wake up in the morning, enjoy your cup of coffee out on the patio. It's a great place. Here, check out the view. So many trees. Yeah, so that's our unit, our new apartment here in Larkspur Court, our 1-bedroom, 1-bath. Hope the guest enjoys it, has a great stay, and hope you all are having a great day. Take care.